How awesome would it be a McLaren would pull up right here? God, please, make it happen. God, please. God, please. I will not ask again, God. You know, sometimes I look at my footage and I get so PO'd on myself because I'm like, there's like a Ferrari in front of me and a McLaren on the side, and I'm so caught up with them that I forget to look behind me. And what is there? A Lambo behind me, and I don't even know. And then I'm trying to have fun with the Ferrari. I can't have fun with the Ferrari, so I'm like, all right, McLaren's on the other side. I'll chase a McLaren. But if I open up my freaking eyes and look back, there's a Lambo right behind me, man. I could not play with that. You know how many times I've missed out on a Bugatti that's on the other side of the road just because I wasn't paying attention? It's really hard doing what I do. You guys think it's easy, but it's not. It's super hard to look everywhere. It's super, super hard. I gotta look everywhere. There, here, back. Look at myself, because there's a mirror. And if I'm not looking at myself in the mirror, then what's the point of having a mirror? All the mirrors in my car point to me. The left side mirror points to the left side of me. The right side mirror points to the right side of me. And then the rear view mirror looks at the top of me. So like the side kind of in the front. I call that the money shot, because you get that front look. So you can see how glorious you look and how deliciously amazing you are. And it's not conceited, it's confidence. I should have cut this. Nah, it's too much lane splitting. You see how long of a lane split I would have to do? I'd just be right behind this car's exhaust and sniff myself to death. Mexican traffic on the ocean. Look at these idiots. Look at them, man. Crazy, right? Oh, I know that guy. Are you gonna go? God damn, son. God damn, now that is a nice Porsche. Dog. So you pass another auto raid because I think I can have fun with this guy. And just like that, he's leaving. Damn it. Ah! Alright, we'll catch him. But I do know that guy. One time I was messing around with the Gallardo, and I was having some mad fun with it. And then this car was there too. He wanted to go at it, but I had to choose Lambo, Gallardo, which I've never really gone full on against at that time. This is months ago. Or do I go after the Porsche? So sadly, I said no to him. I went after the Gallardo, and we had some wicked fun with the Gallardo. So it was a good choice. Hey Mustang, calm down! Trying to peel on me. So sweet. Look at all the space they left me. So sweet. So sweet. So sweet. I haven't had a chance to have Nimbus to make love in this area for a long time. Ooh, I8. Usually I made so much love right on this place, this place right here, but in a long time Nimbus hasn't made any love here. See, I could chase the i8, but it's not gonna do anything. I know i8s, they never do anything. I only found one guy who was kind of cool, did some pulls and stuff, but when I told him, hey, Nimbus wants to make some love with your i8, he was like, nah man, watch, something's gonna happen, I'll tell you right now. Sorry i8, but you suck balls. Should I blow this old guy's ears out? I'm playing. Oh no, it's not a Ferrari. That's those stupid SAIYANS. They're not stupid, but come on. If it's not a Ferrari, then it's stupid, right? I feel so bad because I called him stupid and he was the one who gave me a spot or moved over for me. No! 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 bald mother trucker. What up, old man? So this area is not about speeding. This area is about having fun and finding riders that can dip the tip in. Riders that can dip the tip with. That's not dirty. It sounds dirty, but it's not. Ooh, I like her. But she's with that guy, the one in the black. I'm ready to propose to her. How awesome would she look on the back of this bike? Mother. Ooh, accident. It's a McLaren, man. I had to take that U-turn extra carefully, because there's actually, ooh, Viper, because there's actually people there. Like, there's girls in bikinis and stuff. There she is again. I love her. She made eye contact. She heard me. How awesome would it be a McLaren pull up right here? God, please make it happen. God, please. God, please. I will not ask again, God. Come on, pull up, dog. Pull up in front of me, man. You could tell me he wasn't pulling. He pulled. Don't lie. He pulled. Mclaren. Ooh, his wheels are all polished. Even his tires are polished. Oh! Lols! Super lols. McLaren Porsche. I don't think he's gonna do anything because he's with this girl, so he doesn't want to get, you know, booty spanked right now. Come on, if all these people go to the left, it's a wide open road. Please, everyone go left. Come on, God, let him pull, and God, let there not be any cops. ZX14, aw. Let's see if we can have some fun. Ooh, hottie. She's with her mom. She wants to look at me, but she can't because she's with her mom. Her mom doesn't like bad boys. No mom likes bad boys, unless they're for her. I love her. Not you. He sighed, he sighed. He knew I wasn't talking about him. I love her. Tell me you just didn't want to propose to her right then and there. I wanted to propose to her right then and there. Booty, 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 booty. Oh, that's gross. The naked guy. There's been like 6 girls that I've seen today that I want to propose to. Alright, so no fun with the McLaren. Well, we saw 2 of them though. 2 McLarens. So that counts for something, right? It counts for everything. You were singing like a virgin. Crushed one before. Nimbus made some sweet love to it. Hi! Hello! Ah! You guys saw that? She said Sane was coming. And then I was looking at her, and then she looked back and smiled. Or looked at me and smiled. And then I gave her the wave. I should have blew a kiss. Because that's what I want to do, is blow a kiss at her. I'll live for this, man. Okay, that is one ugly color, dog. You went to the store, you were like, give me the ugliest color, fam. And they're like, hey, I got you. Back in rain mode. We ain't trying to do anything dirty. Oh, that feels so good. I love sneezing. It's one of my hobbies. Look up to me, guys. I'm like a superhero. I should be your role model. F everyone else. I'm your role model. From today, I'm your freaking role model. Look at me. I look like a Greek god. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at this. Any other motovlogger look this hot? McLaren. If you got a supercar, don't be driving alone. You gotta get a hottie next to you, man. Alright, you gotta get complete the full circle. Alright, you can't just have a supercar and you driving on it all alone like some loser. You gotta have a chick over there, and not another guy, unless you're into that. But besides that, you need a girl, man. Like, seriously. Nimbus, why the heart shifting? Nimbus, Nimbus! See, stuff like this. F-stop lane splitting. Ruins it for everyone. F you. Bush Macan. Ask not what you can do for your country. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Something like that. Ooh, Ferrari. I kind of think I kind of know who said it, but if I say it, oh, baby wants some. No, but if I say it, then I'm pretty sure it's wrong. It's an AMG. I already messed with an AMG before. I messed with so many AMGs. But y'all trick y'all. Cut. There you go. Now pop it, and I'll pop you, and I'll stay in rain mode. Ooh, dirty boy. He's too hip for me. You guys read that? He's too hip for me. Calm down, Escalade. You want to be a McLaren so bad. What are you doing, dog? I had so much respect for you, and now it all just went away. If he just stayed where he was, this would be him doing this right now, pulling up in the club. Yeah, I think we're gonna have some fun with him. Scoot on over, dog. There you go. Another one. There you go. I'm controlling him. I know him. I'm talking to him right now. We're on the phone together. Say dirty stuff to me as I ride my motorcycle. Oh yeah, dirty. But I'm not sure if I can handle him. He's too hip for me. No, Audie, no. I know what you want to do, Audie. I wasn't born yesterday. I might drop dead today, but I wasn't born yesterday. Seinfeld. He doesn't even know that he's finna get murked. Like, people like this you gotta look out for. Why? Because they're gonna have fun with you. And Nimbus, she's already getting rowdy because she hasn't murked a merc in a long time. Why is he in such a rush? You can't run away from your fate, dog. You're gonna get murked. No matter what, you're gonna get murked. That could have been you looking at my booty right now if you were behind me. But instead, you're not. Never mind, he's gone. Damn it, I thought it was a McLaren. What is that, an Audi? Sure, F it. Labor! Excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît. Solamente por favor. Oh no! Oh no! Cop. No. No.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight.